In this video, we're talking about something that can make or break your success. Don't do this if you want your business to grow. Most entrepreneurs and freelancers focus so much on what they should do to grow their business that they completely ignore the things they should stop doing immediately. These hidden habits, mindsets, and mistakes silently kill momentum, destroy team morale, and stop your business from scaling. So if your growth feels stuck, no matter how hard you're working, this video will show you what might be holding you back and how to fix it before it's too late. Mistake number 1. Doing everything yourself. Many business owners start with the "I'll handle it all" mentality: sales, marketing, admin, social media, and customer service. But this mindset becomes dangerous as you grow. You can't scale if you're micromanaging every task. Growth requires delegation, not control. Hire or outsource small, repetitive jobs early so you can focus on strategy and innovation. Your time is your most valuable resource. Protect it. Mistake number 2. Ignoring your numbers. You can't grow what you don't measure. Many entrepreneurs operate on intuition instead of data. They don't track cash flow, ROI, customer acquisition cost, or conversion rates, then wonder why profits vanish. Treat your numbers like a GPS. They'll show you what's working, what's not, and where to pivot. Use financial tools, dashboards, and regular reports to stay grounded in facts, not assumptions. Mistake number 3. Not adapting to change. The business world in 2025 is evolving faster than ever. AI tools, automation, consumer behavior, and social platforms change monthly. Sticking to what used to work is a trap. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Stay curious. Test new strategies, learn emerging tools, and keep innovating. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't the smartest, they're the fastest to adapt. Mistake number 4. Underpricing your products or services. Many new business owners believe that lowering prices will attract more customers, but it usually does the opposite. It positions you as cheap, not valuable. Growth happens when your pricing reflects the value you deliver, not the hours you spend. Focus on offering premium service, better experience, and strong results. And charge what you're worth. People pay more when they trust you deliver more. Mistake number 5. Neglecting marketing and branding. You could have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, it won't sell. Too many businesses rely on word of mouth alone or post inconsistently on social media. You need a marketing system, a consistent strategy that attracts, nurtures, and converts leads. Build your brand voice, show up online, and communicate your story. Visibility creates credibility, and credibility creates sales. Mistake number 6. Failing to invest in yourself and your team. Growth doesn't happen without personal development. Many entrepreneurs spend on tools and ads but neglect training, mentorship, and mindset work. As a leader, your business will only grow as much as you do. Invest in learning new skills, staying updated, and empowering your team. A business built on burnout and stagnation cannot scale sustainably. Mistake number 7. Ignoring customer experience. Retention is cheaper than acquisition, yet most business owners chase new clients instead of nurturing existing ones. Listen to feedback, personalize your service, and create a memorable experience that makes people come back and